Fun TV app review. Is this streaming app legit? If you've come across the Fun TV app, also listed as Fun TV Funny Short Dramas, and you're wondering whether it's a legitimate streaming app or something to be cautious about, this review will walk you through what the app offers, how it works, and what to realistically expect before installing it. Fun TV is positioned as a short drama streaming app that focuses on bite-sized episodic content. Instead of full-length shows or movies, it delivers fast-paced drama episodes that are designed to be watched in short sessions. New content is added frequently, which aims to keep viewers engaged and coming back for the latest storylines. When you first open Fun TV, the interface is designed to be simple and scroll-friendly. You can jump between episodes, switch dramas easily, and adjust playback without much effort. The app promotes smooth playback and enhanced visuals, which can make short dramas feel more immersive despite their shorter runtime. One of the biggest talking points around Fun TV is monetization. Like many free streaming apps, it relies heavily on ads. While ads help keep the app free, frequent interruptions can make it harder to stay focused on episodes or complete in-app tasks smoothly. Another thing to consider is user expectations. Fun TV markets itself around entertainment rather than earning or rewards, so it's best approached as a casual streaming app rather than anything offering real incentives. Confusion around in-app points or coins can lead to frustration if expectations aren't aligned with how the system works. Privacy and data handling are also worth noting. App may share certain basic data types and uses encrypted connections, but users should still review permissions carefully before committing long-term. Here's a quick look at the pros and cons. Looking at the pros, Fun TV works well as a casual short drama streaming app. The constant content updates and simple navigation make it easy to dip in and out when you have spare time. For viewers who enjoy fast-moving drama clips, it can be entertaining in short bursts. On the downside, the cons mainly revolve around ads and user trust. Frequent advertisements can disrupt viewing, and some users report confusion or frustration with how in-app systems behave. Mixed reviews also make it harder to judge consistency across different devices and regions. In summary, Fun TV is a legitimate short drama streaming app, but it's best suited for casual viewing rather than long, uninterrupted sessions. If you enjoy short episodic content and don't mind ads, it may be worth trying. Just go in with realistic expectations, review permissions, and treat it as entertainment only rather than anything beyond that.